Hello students, welcome back. My name is Ritik Jain and we are studying Mathematics Chapter 12 Ratio and Proportion. In the last video, we learned that if two ratios are equal or if two ratios are same, then we say that they are in proportion. ऐसे ratios को हम क्या कहते हैं? To be in proportion. And also we solved some examples to check whether two given ratios are in proportion or not. And today we will be solving the exercise. So let's just start with the first question. Determine if the following are in proportion. So we have four numbers here and we have to check if they are in proportion or not. So how we used to check 15 and 45? We will check for them first. 15 and 45, you can simplify it further. You can divide both of them with 15. So it will come out to be 1:3, right? And similarly for 40 and 120 also we will check. We can divide both of them with 10, right? It will become 4/12 and you can further simplify this by dividing with 4. It will be 1/3 or 1:3. So both the ratios are 1:3. So we will say that yes, they are in proportion. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं. 33, 121, 9 and 96. Again for 33 and 121 we will check. 33 and 121. We can divide both of them with 11. It will be 3/11 and we cannot further simplify this. Similarly for 9/96 we can check. We can divide both of them with 3 first. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 96 divided by 3 will be 32. And we cannot further simplify this. So this is 3:11 and this is 3:32. So they are not in proportion. हम क्या कहेंगे कि ये proportion में नहीं है. Next example देखिए. 24, 28, 36 and 48. Again we will check for these two first. 24/28. You can divide both of them with 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6 and 28 divided by 4 is 7. So this becomes 6:7. Then for 36 and 48, 36/48 you can check. I can divide both of them with 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6 and 48 divided by 6 is 8. So this is 6/8 and you can further simplify this by dividing with 2. So this will become 3/4 or 3:4. So this is 6:7 and this is 3:4. So again they are not in proportion. ठीक है, क्लियर है. आगे देखिए. 32, 48, 70 and 210. So first we will check for 32 and 48. You can divide both of them with 4. So 32 divided by 4 will be 8 and 48 divided by 4 will be 12. You can further divide both of them with 4 again. 8 divided by 4 will be 2 and 12 divided by 4 will be 3. So this becomes 2:3. Then for 70 and 210, I can first divide both of them with 10 directly. It will become 7/21. Then I can further divide both of them with 7. So this will become 1/3 or 1:3. So they are also not in proportion. ठीक है, क्लियर है. आगे देखिए. 4, 6, 8 and 12. So we will check for 4 and 6 first. 4/6 which is 2/3 or I can write it as 2:3. Then for 8 and 12 I can divide both of them with 4. 8 divided by 4 will be 2 and 12 divided by 4 will be 3. So this becomes 2:3 and both of them are 2:3. So I will say that yes, they are in proportion. ठीक है, क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट देखिए. 33, 44, 75 and 100. So first we will check for 33 and 44. 33/44. I can divide both of them with 11. It will become 3/4 which is 3:4. Then for 75/100 I can divide both of them with 25 directly. So 75 divided by 25 will be 3 and 100 divided by 25 will be 4. So this is 3 upon 4 or 3:4. So both the ratios are same, which is 3:4. So again I will say that yes, they are in proportion. ठीक है, क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Write true or false against each of the following statements. So we have to check whether they are in proportion or not, and we have to write true or false. So first is 16:24 as 20:30. तो इसके लिए हम चेक करेंगे 16/24. You can divide both of them with 8. So it will become 2/3 or 2:3. Similarly for 20/30 you can check. We can divide both of them with 10. It will become 2/3 or 2:3. So both the ratios are 2:3. So yes, they are in proportion. So this statement is true. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. 21:6 as 35:10. So we will check for 21 and 6 first. 21/6, you can divide both of them with 3. So 21 divided by 3 is 7 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this becomes 7:2. Similarly for 35/10, you can divide both of them with 5. 35 divided by 5 will be 7 and 10 divided by 5 will be 2. So 35 divided by 5 is 7 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this becomes 7:2 and both the ratios are 7:2. So they are in proportion. So this statement is also true. ठीक है, क्लियर है. आगे देखिए 12:18 as 28:12. तो इसको भी हम चेक करते हैं. 12:18. You can divide both of them with 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2 and 18 divided by 6 is 3. So this becomes 2:3. Then for 28/12, you can divide both of them with 4. So 28 divided by 4 is 7 and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this becomes 7:3 and these two ratios are not equal. So this statement is false. They are not in proportion. ठीक है, आगे देखिए 8:9 as 24:27. So 8:9. स्टूडेंट्स मैं इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकता. इट इज ऑलरेडी इन इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. सो दिस विल बी 8:9 ओनली. देन फॉर 24/27 I can divide both of them with 3. 24 divided by 3 will be 8 and 27 divided by 3 will be 9. So this becomes 8:9 and both the ratios are 8:9. तो मैं क्या कहूंगा कि yes, they are in proportion. So this statement is true. ठीक है, क्लियर है. आगे देखिए 5.2:3.9 as 3:4. तो हमको इनको चेक करना है. सो फर्स्ट 5.2/3.9. तो स्टूडेंट्स डेसिमल में करने से अच्छा है आप दोनों नंबर्स को, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, मैं दोनों को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूं. राइट, आई कैन मल्टीप्लाई बोथ ऑफ देम विद 10. सो 5.2 इंटू 10 विल बी 52 एंड 3.9 इंटू 10 विल बी 39. तो इसको सॉल्व करना मेरे लिए ज़्यादा ईजी रहेगा. 52/39 and I can further divide both of them with 13. So 52 divided by 13 will be 4 and 39 divided by 13 will be 3. So this becomes 4:3 and the next ratio is 3/4 which is already in its simplest form. तो ये है 3/4 या फिर 3:4 and this is 4:3. और मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि 3:4 एंड 4:3 आर नॉट इक्वल. ये दोनों बराबर नहीं होते हैं. सो दिस इज नॉट इन प्रपोर्शन. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. ठीक है, आगे देखिए 0.9 एंड 0.36 देन 10:4. सो फर्स्ट 0.9/0.36. अगेन स्टूडेंट्स, मैं इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को, टू मेक इट इजी फॉर कैलकुलेशन. So 0.9 into 100 will be 90 and 0.36 into 100 will be 36. Now I can further divide both of them with 9. 90 divided by 9 will be 10 and 36 divided by 9 will be 4, and I can further simplify this by dividing with 2. So this will become 5 upon 2 or 5 is to 2, right? And next is 10 is to 4. So this is 10 upon 4. I can divide both of them with 2. This will become 5 upon 2 or 5 is to 2. So both the ratios are 5 is to 2. So I will say that yes, they are in proportion. This statement is true. ठीक है, next question देखते हैं. Are the following statements true? 40 persons is to 200 persons is equals to rupees 15 is to rupees 75. तो हमको चेक करना है कि ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है क्या. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. 40 persons is to 200 persons. So 40 by 200. You can divide both of them with 10 first. So this will become 4 by 20, right? And again you can divide both of them with 4. So this will become 1 by 5 or 1 is to 5. ठीक है. Next है rupees 15 is to rupees 75. So rupees 15 is to rupees 75, and you can divide both of them with 15 directly. So 15 divided by 15 is 1 and 75 divided by 15 is 5. So this becomes 1 is to 5. So both the ratios are 1 is to 5. So this statement is true. ठीक है, क्लियर है. आगे देखिए. 7.5 liters is to 15 liters is equals to 5 kg is to 10 kg. So first 7.5 liters is to 15 liters, and I know that 7.5 का डबल 15 होता है. So this will be 1 by 2, या फिर मैं यूं भी कह सकता हूं कि 7.5 multiplied by 2 is 15. So this ratio will become 1 upon 2, which is 1 is to 2, right? Next is 5 kg is to 10 kg, 5 upon 10, and this is also equals to 1 by 2. I can divide both of them with 5. So this becomes 1 is to 2. Again, both the ratios are same. So I will say that this statement is also true. ठीक है, क्लियर है. आगे देखिए. 99 kg is to 45 kg is equals to 44 rupees is to 20 rupees. So first 99 kg and 45 kg, I can divide both of them with 9. 99 divided by 9 is 11 and 45 divided by 9 is 5, and I cannot further simplify this. So this becomes 11 is to 5. Then next is rupees 44 is to rupees 20. So 44 upon 20. I can divide both of them with 4. 44 divided by 4 will be 11 and 20 divided by 4 will be 5. So this becomes 11 is to 5, and both the ratios are same, which is 11 is to 5. So this statement is again true. ठीक है, क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट देखिए. 32 मीटर इज टू 64 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 6 सेकेंड इज टू 12 seconds. So first 32 meter is to 64 meters, right? You can divide both of them with 2 first. This will become 16 upon 32. Again आप इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. This will become 8 upon 16, and you can divide now both of them with 8. So this will become 1 by 2 or 1 is to 2, right? Next is 6 second is to 12 seconds. So 6 by 12, and this is 1 by 2. You can divide both of them with 6 only. So this becomes 1 is to 2. and both the ratios are 1:2. So this statement is again true. They are in proportion. ठीक है, क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट देखिए, 45 किलोमीटर्स इज टू 60 किलोमीटर्स इज इक्वल्स टू 12 आवर्स इज टू 15 आवर्स. तो इसको भी हम चेक करते हैं. फर्स्ट 45 किलोमीटर्स इज टू 60 kilometers. So 45 upon 60, you can divide both of them with 15. 45 divided by 15 is 3 and 60 divided by 15 is 4. So this ratio becomes 3:4. Next is 12 hours is to 15 hours. You can divide both of them with 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this ratio becomes 4:5 and these two ratios are not equal. This is 3:4 and this is 4:5. तो मैं कहूंगा कि these is not equal. They are not in proportion. So this statement is false. ठीक है, क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. Determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Also write the middle terms and extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion. तो हमको बताना है कि ये numbers एक proportion बनाते हैं क्या, and if they form a proportion then we have to write middle terms and extreme terms. तो one by one हम देखते हैं. First 25 सेंटीमीटर इज टू 1 मीटर. तो सबसे पहले इस 1 मीटर को मैं कन्वर्ट करूंगा सेंटीमीटर्स में. दिस इज 100 सेंटीमीटर्स. वी ऑल नो दिस. So ratio will be 25 centimeters is to 100 centimeters and you can divide both of them with 25 directly. So this will become 1/4 or 1:4. Then next is rupees 40 is to rupees 160. So 40/160. You can divide both of them with 10 first. It will become 4/16 and now you can divide both of them with 4. So this will become 1/4 or 1:4. So both the ratios are 1:4. So I will say that yes, they are in proportion. ये चारों नंबर्स प्रपोर्शन में है. और अब अगर ये प्रपोर्शन में है तो मुझे इनके मिडल टर्म्स और एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स लिखने पड़ेंगे. So middle terms are 1 meter and rupees 40, 1 meter and rupees 40, and extreme terms. Extreme terms are 25 centimeter and rupees 160. So 25 centimeter and rupees 160. ठीक है, क्लियर है, राइट. नेक्स्ट देखिए, 39 liters is to 65 liters and 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. So first 39 liters is to 65 liters को चेक करेंगे. 39/65. I can divide both of them with 13. So 39 divided by 13 is 3 and 65 divided by 13 is 5. So the ratio is 3:5. Then for 6 bottles and 10 bottles we will check. It will be 6/10. You can divide both of them with 2. So this will become 3/5 or 3:5. Again both the ratios are same. So yes, they are in proportion. मैं क्या कहूँगा कि ये proportion में है. और अगर proportion में है तो मुझे इनके middle terms और extreme terms लिखने पड़ेंगे. So let's write that. First middle terms. Middle terms are 65 liters and 6 bottles. 65 liters and 6 bottles. Then extreme terms. Extreme terms will be 39 liters and 10 bottles. So this will be 39 liters and 10 bottles. So I have also written the middle terms and extreme terms for the given proportion. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए, 2 kg is to 80 kg and 25 gram is to 625 grams. So first 2 kg is to 80 kg, that will be 2 by 80, and I can divide both of them with 2 only. So this will become 1 by 40, which is 1 is to 40. Then 25 grams and 625 grams. You can divide both of them with 5 first. So 25 divided by 5 will be 5 only, and 625 divided by 5 you can check. 625 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, remainder 1, this 2 downwards, then 5 into 2 is 10, remainder 2, this 5 will be downwards, and 5 into 5 will be 25. So the answer is 125. And you can further divide both of them with 5 only. So 5 divided by 5 will be 1, and 125 divided by 5. Again you can check. 125 divided by 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. Remainder is 2. This 5 downwards, and 5 into 5 is 25. So this is 25. So the ratio is 1 is to 25. So both the ratios are not equal. First is 1 is to 40, second is 1 is to 25. So they are not in proportion. ठीक है, क्लियर है. आगे देखिए. 200 ml is to 2.5 लीटर एंड ₹4 is to ₹50. तो स्टूडेंट्स अगेन सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, 2.5 लीटर को किस में कन्वर्ट करूंगा, ml में या फिर मिलीलीटर्स में. एंड वी नो दैट 1 लीटर्स इज 1000 milliliters. So 2 liters will be 2000 ml और 0.5 लीटर कितना होता है, 500 ml. So we have 2.5, that means 2 plus 0.5. So this will be 2000 plus 500, that will be 2500 milliliters. तो मैंने 2.5 लीटर्स को कन्वर्ट कर लिया है मिलीलीटर्स में. नाउ आई विल चेक द रेशियोज. सो फर्स्ट इज 200 ml अपॉन 2500 ml. You can first divide both of them with 100 easily. It will become 2 upon 25, right? And the ratio will be 2 is to 25. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखिए, we have ₹4 is to ₹50. So ₹4 is to ₹50. You can divide both of them with 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 50 divided by 2 is 25. So the ratio becomes 2 is to 25. And both the ratios are equal, which is 2 is to 25. तो मैं कहूँगा कि yes, they are in proportion. So yes, they are in proportion. और अब अगर ये proportion में है तो मुझे मिडल टर्म्स और एक्सट्रीम टर्म्स लिखने पड़ेंगे. सो वी कैन राइट दैट. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द मिडल टर्म्स. सो मिडल टर्म्स आर 2.5 liter and ₹4. So 2.5 liter and ₹4, and then extreme terms are 200 ml and ₹50. So 200 ml and ₹50. These are the middle terms and extreme terms for the given proportion. ठीक है, क्लियर है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस फिनिशेज ऑफ आवर एक्सरसाइज एंड टुडेज लेक्चर ऑल्सो. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल बी टेकिंग दिस चैप्टर फर्दर. टिल देन, गुड बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.